Understanding Surds. Objective. Definition. Identification of surd. Laws of surds. Illustrations. Surds. Any irrational number of the form nth root of a is given a special name surd, where a is called radicand and should always be a rational number. Also, the symbol nth root is called the radical sign, and the index n is called the order of the surd. Nth root a is read as nth root a and can also be written as a power 1 by n. Some identical surds. Cube root 4 is a surd as radicand is a rational number. Similar examples: cube root 5, fourth root 12, fifth root 7, root 12, and so on. 2 root 3 plus 2 is a surd, as surd plus rational number will give a surd. Similar examples: root 3 plus 1, cube root 3 plus 1. Root of 7 minus 4 root 3 is a surd, as 7 minus 4 root 3 is a perfect square of 2 minus root 3. Similar examples: root of 7 plus 4 root 3, root of 9 minus 4 root 5, root of 9 plus 4 root 5, and so on. Cube root of root 3 is a surd, as cube root of root 3 equals to 3 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 3 equals to 3 power 1 by 6 equals to 6th root 3. Similar examples: cube root of cube root 5, fourth root of fifth root 6, and so on. Some expressions are not surds. Cube root 8 is not a surd, because cube root 8 equals to cube root of 2 power 3 equals to 2, which is a rational number. Root of 2 plus root 3 is not a surd, because 2 plus root 3 is not a perfect square. Cube root of 1 plus root 3 is not a surd, because radicand is an irrational number. Laws of surds. Nth root a whole power n equals to nth root a power n equals to a. Examples: cube root 8 equals to cube root 2 power 3 equals to 2. Fourth root of 81 equals to fourth root of 3 power 4 equals to 3. Nth root a into nth root b equals to nth root of ab. Here, order should be same. Example: cube root 2 into cube root 6 equals to cube root of 2 into 6 equals to cube root 12. But cube root 3 into fourth root 6 is not equal to root of 3 into 6 because order is not same. First, make their order same, and then you can multiply. Nth root a divided by nth root b equals to nth root of a by b. Nth root of mth root a equals to n/mth root of a equals to nth root of nth root of a. Example, root of root 2 equals to 8th root of 2. Nth root a equals to n into pth root of a power p, important for changing the order of surds. Or nth root of a power m equals to n into pth root of a power m into p. Example, cube root 6 square, make its order 6. Then cube root 6 square equals to 3 into 2th root of 6 power 2 into 2 equals to 6th root of 6 power 4. Example, cube root 6, make its order 15. Then cube root 6 equals to 3 into 5th root of 6 power 1 into 5 equals to 15th root of 6 power 5. Properties: root of AB equals to root A root B. Root of A by B equals to root A by root B if B not equals to 0. Root A plus root B into root A minus root B equals to A minus B. A plus root B into A minus root B equals to A square minus B. Root of A plus root B into root C plus root D equals to root AC plus root AD plus root BC plus root BD. Root A plus root B whole square equals to A plus 2 root AB plus B. Root over A plus B plus 2 root AB equals to root A plus root B. Illustration: root 3 plus root 7 whole square. Solution: root 3 plus root 7 whole square equals to root 3 whole square plus 2 root 3 into root 7 plus root 7 whole square. Since property 6 equals to 3 plus 2 root 21 plus 7 equals to 10 plus 2 root 21. Summary: